Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity, where it's still summer, so we're still doing summer vegetables. This is another green bean dish. This is a very fancy sounding green bean dish. Green beans Amandine. But it's deceptively simple. It's just green beans, almonds, and butter, seasoned with salt and pepper. Basically, you just boil or steam your green beans till they're tender. Drain them, put them in a pan with the butter, the almonds, and the salt and pepper, and you just cook for about a couple of minutes, just long enough to melt the butter, and get it all mixed through with the almonds and the salt and pepper. So, I love green beans. I've always loved green beans. Mmm, mmm. Use a good vegan butter, because it's the main flavor of the sauce. Sorry, I gotta have another bite. It's so good. Mmm. Pardon me. Mmm. The green beans are cooked perfectly. They're just nice and tender, but they still have a nice color. They're not overcooked. The butter, of course, is wonderful. And the almonds, mmm. They're raw almonds. They're not toasted, so they're just heated through. And a wonderful crunch and a wonderful almond flavor. If you like almonds and green beans, you will really like this dish. It's really delicious. I will put the recipe on my blog and link to it in the description. I will also link to the previous video. Maybe I should make a summer vegetable playlist. I don't know. I always forget about putting my stuff on a playlist. I've got dozens of playlists of all kinds of other things that are just for my own interest and reference, but I should start making playlists for my own content too. So, thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you for visiting my community tab. Regular uploads, Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Regular community tab posts, Monday and Friday. Occasional shorts on Wednesday. Occasional cat videos on Catterday. I haven't done a cat video in a while. I should get around to it again. I've just been so distracted lately with everything that's going on. Anyway, I'm probably going to eat this whole plate. Because you should. This is like a pound of beans. And for good health, you should eat a couple of pounds of vegetables, cooked or raw or both, every day. Preferably without the vegan butter. But this is for a video, so it has to be special. I'll see you later, guys.